So we're off the coast of Costa Rica right now, and I am on my very first real tropical downpour on a ship. I love it. It smells good, and it's wonderful to listen to the rain and be totally protected here as I'm sitting here on the Serenity. That's interesting here on the Serenity, maybe because there's so many people who are not terribly young anymore. They don't really spend a lot of time on the Serenity after dinner. So that's where I come after dinner. I come to the Serenity, I read, I relax, I write, and watch the rain. No cabana for me tonight, at least not right now. So it's raining, and I was hoping to go to the whirlpool in the rain. I love being in the whirlpool in the rain, but because there was some thunder and lightning, I'm not allowed to. That's really sad. So I'm gonna have to take pictures of the rain here, I guess.